Hey guys, it has been a little while. This is Crypto Goshen here again, back with another video. Man, you're talking about getting a bit giddy. You guys know what's going on out there relative to the crypto market. I have mentioned on some previous videos that we are on our way to the most bullish and parabolic market that we've ever seen in crypto. And as you can see, we are clearly in the early stages of it right now. You think these returns are something in 24 hours, which is crazy, right? You got 33% here on this one, CFX 21%. The old Luna is 37%. You got the Ordi here at 50, almost 54% up in one day. It's amazing. And you guys know the big news of the day in crypto is the fact that Bitcoin now is well over $42,000. So just think about this for a minute. This time last year, Bitcoin was floating anywhere between 16 and 18,000. And so you guys, and I've talked about this in previous videos, you won't ever make big money in crypto unless you're buying in a bear market. And we've been in a prolonged bear market the last year and a half, almost 2 years in crypto. And so one of the things that we urge and encourage those who are in crypto to do, if you're looking to make some really awesome gains in excess of 20, 30, 50, 100x returns on your money, which those are all doable in a parabolic bull market in crypto, you want to start buying when the market is down. You have to go against what your emotions tell you to do and with the way you feel. Typically when people see things go down and decrease in value, we end up selling in markets and in our investment, which is the worst thing that you want to do when you are invested in anything. And so, with that being said, you are not too late. Although the market is bullish, super bullish right now, although we are on the cusp of seeing the most parabolic bull market that we've ever seen in crypto, you are still early to the game. But if you're gonna take advantage of what's gonna be happening over the next 12, 18 to 24 months, you need to start dollar cost averaging into crypto right now. And by the way, not financial advice. I'm telling you what I've been doing, what I'll continue to do as we enter this bull market. But for those who have been on the sideline, which most folks have, and it's pretty amazing, right? Just think, nobody wanted Bitcoin when it was 16 and 17 and 18,000. They were selling. Most of those who don't understand how to make money in investment, you were selling back then. Now you're going to come in and buy Bitcoin at 42,000, at 50,000, at 70,000, at 100,000. Again, it sort of makes no sense, but that's the way we are wired. And that's why the great investor Warren Buffett has always said, if you really want to maximize your investment, you want to be greedy when the masses are fearful. And then you want to become fearful when people are greedy. So right now is the time to be greedy. People are still on the sideline. Most folks are. It won't take long before the retail investor re-enters the crypto market en masse. And so you want to try to get ahead of that. And one of the things that you can do to get ahead of the masses that will most certainly return to crypto, without a doubt. It's just the way things happen and the way things are. You want to pick 3 to 5, depending upon how much you have to invest. If you got $1,000 to invest, maybe get you 3 to 5 cryptocurrencies. If you only have $1 to $500, maybe get you 2. But whatever you do, identify those cryptocurrencies and start dollar cost averaging into them either once a week, once a month, once a quarter, whatever your rhythm is. But you want to be in a mode where you're perpetually buying these tokens on a consistent basis. And you can do that. If you live in the United States, you have Coinbase that allows you to set up what they call recurring buys. You can go into your Coinbase account, your Gemini account. I think you can also do it with Kraken, where you can tell those platforms, you know what, I want to invest $50 every week in a certain token or tokens. You can do that. That's what you want to start doing right now. If I could shake you, I would. This is going to be the best opportunity for the masses as a whole to make a ton of money in a very truncated window. Don't miss this. Don't blow it. You need to get in the game. If you're on the sideline, I've been talking about this for a while. Again, you see all the green in the market. I typically hate to buy crypto when the market is green, but obviously if we're at the beginning of a mega bull market, it's not a bad idea to get in now, but you certainly want to catch those real red days in crypto. And we've been in real red days for about 2 years now. But again, you're not late. So this video is all about trying to encourage you. If you are looking to invest in crypto, go ahead and start doing it now. Start dollar cost averaging into your favorite coins. One of the things that you want to do relative to me, if you're interested in knowing the cryptos that I am invested in and ones that I've been holding for a while that will see amazing returns over this next 12 to 18 months. I will tell you this, there will be more crypto millionaires minted in the next 12 and 18 months than we've ever seen. The question I have for you out there, are you going to be one of them? You got to stop. You got to learn how to take risk. You want to be guarded in the risks you take. But again, we are entering this amazing phase in crypto that we've never seen before. And you're going to literally be able to take a dart and throw it on any board and probably 10x your money just like that. Which basically means if you got $100, if it 10x's or when it 10x's, that 100 becomes $1,000. If you got $1,000, that $1,000 become $10,000. If you have $10,000 looking to do a six bagger, that $10,000, if it when it 10x's, it becomes $100,000. And if you got $100,000, if that 10x's or when it 10x's, that becomes $1 million. All very, very doable as we enter this next phase in crypto. Again, get off the sidelines. If you're looking to invest, get in the game, start dollar cost averaging. And if you're interested in knowing what Crypto Goshen is doing, I'm going to encourage you guys, you want to follow me on Telegram. I'm not going to make a ton of videos talking about the cryptos that I'm doing, but I will be posting those. The new ones that I've purchased, I'm going to start posting those in Telegram. As a matter of fact, I've already done that. You'll be able to access my Telegram channel below, but you'll see here, I have been posting. Let me scroll up. It's December 1st. We'll come back here in just a minute. Let's see. Let me scroll up. I think I actually gave you guys a list of cryptos that you should put on your watch list as we enter the bull market. I think I ended up posting that here. We're going to continue to scroll up. But there are so many. And by the way, if you're not going to buy a lot of Bitcoin, you probably should not be buying Bitcoin and expecting to make a 10x or 20x in this bull market. You want to start looking at other cryptocurrencies down that chart. And we'll go back to the chart in just a minute, the list, I should say, of cryptocurrencies that allows you to know exactly what's going on with their price action. Let's see, where did I put that? I know I tweeted about it on the Crypto Goshen X page. Here we go. So this was back on November 1st, right? And I gave you a list of what I believe will be the peak prices of certain cryptocurrencies in this incoming bull market. And we have started this bull market. I have Bitcoin at 150,000, Ethereum at least 10,000, probably closer to 15,000 now, because I didn't realize at the time that we have these major money managers who have applied for what they call an ETF, an Ethereum ETF, like many have been a hopper for the SEC to review for the Bitcoin ETF. So this thing may go to 20,000. It could be double where this amount. Right now it's about 2,000, a little over 2,000. So if it goes to 2 to 10, that's 5x. So it'll probably get close to 20,000 in this next bull market that we are in. You got BNB. I got Uniswap, $25. Avi at 400. The Graph, one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite. The Graph Render Hot is my number one. This thing is probably a tenth of a penny. And I believe that we're going to hit roughly over 50 cents in this next bull market, which is like 1,000x plus, right? Very doable again in crypto if you buy the right token. You got Veracity VRA. I think right now it's about 7-8 cents. I think that's going to go to $5 in the next bull market. Everybody, in my opinion, again, this is my opinion, should own at least one, but maybe two meme tokens. Meme coins typically go like crazy in bull markets. So Pepe is at the top of my list. I made a post in my Telegram recently, like last week, on another one I just put as in my portfolio as a meme token called Fufu. I'll show you that in just a minute. There's Arweave, there's Helium, there's Audius, the ticker is Audio, and then PAL. This is an AI bot and all. But you can start here, but I'm going to encourage you guys, do your own due diligence. I will be posting again anytime I add to my crypto bag, as we are at the beginning of this bull market. Those tokens will get posted in my Telegram. You can look down in the description below and follow me here on Telegram. But again, it's exciting right now. Know that we come through a whole lot over the last year and a half, 2 years with crypto. We had the implosion of FTX. We had the implosion of Terra Luna and Dogecoin. Y'all know what happened there. If not, you can Google it. Dogecoin, Luna. Obviously, Sam Bankman-Fried used to be the founder, or was the founder of FTX, and that thing imploded. Caused a lot of heartaches in crypto. You had Celsius implode. You had Voyager, another centralized exchange here in the United States, that imploded. And then obviously you had the government all over crypto, because they know what's going to happen. They don't want you to be in control of your money ultimately. And so that's why it was created back in 2008, 2009, starting with Bitcoin, decentralizing money, where you are in control of your money. You get to decide where you want to invest, when you want to invest. You don't have to worry about being an accredited investor, if you will, to qualify to invest in some of these, which is a way they keep people out of the system that is sort of rigged. And I'm careful in using the word rigged, that the system is rigged to protect those who already have, for the most part. And I don't rail against that like some folks do out there and all. At the end of the day, once you understand how the game is played, you start playing the game as the rules have been defined. Don't rail against it. Most folks who have made a lot of money, they have done it legally within the confines of the U.S. laws, if you will. So you waste your time when you talk about taxes being high and all that. You're not going to change that. But you can change how you go about investing. You can change how you go about doing business. And you can leverage this system to your advantage, as opposed to wasting precious time complaining about it. So again, that's something I'm a big fan of. Really, people, you need to change. Some of you guys out there need to change your mindset. You complain too much. You rail too much. Use that same time and energy to educate yourself on how you can leverage the system to your advantage legally. Let me scroll back down. A couple posts I made today in Telegram. Obviously, Quopi, you guys know that's my favorite crypto passive income platform. They did a whopping 3.89% in the crypto trading bot, 1.49% in the stock trading bot. And these are daily returns, which is crazy. You guys see here, I also recommended or suggested or nudge or encourage you guys to look at maybe some stocks that are tied to the crypto industry. You'll see here these three. You got the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC is the ticker. You got Bit Digital, BTBT, and Coinbase. Coinbase, I started buying this when this thing's around 60 bucks, so it's already going up 100%. I think this will easily hit $400 to $500 over the next 12 to 18 months because of what's happening in crypto. So do your own due diligence. Again, not financial advice, but there are also some opportunities for you to invest into some stocks where you can actually make some pretty good return on your money as well. Sorry about that. I had a phone going off in the background. But anyway, so you're going to get this type of information in my Telegram along with some tokens. You'll see here, this was on December 1st. Yes, I ended up buying Fufu. This is what they call an Asian meme token. I'm just going to hold this for a while. So I make the investment and we'll see what happens over the next couple of months. But this thing could do a 10x. It could also go to zero. So I need to make that clear. Everything we do in crypto is super risky. So you certainly want to make sure that you're only putting out risk capital. And those are dollars that you can afford to lose. If you cannot afford to lose it, don't invest it. I can't say that enough. But I have made an investment in Fufu token. This is a meme I've added to my portfolio. So I own currently some Shiba, Pepe, Floki, and now Fufu. I'm looking for a couple more on the Solana blockchain to add over the next couple of weeks, which I'll be doing. And as soon as I make those purchases, I'll post that here in my Telegram. But all I wanted to do today is to let you guys know, again, we are in the throes of the most parabolic bull market that we've ever seen in crypto. You got to get off the sideline. You need to engage. There are things that are happening in the financial services industry that most folks are oblivious to, and it could change your financial future. And also get in the game is the point of this particular video. Let's see, anything else relative to you, and I've talked about this, not going to spend a whole lot of time on it, but if you are looking to educate yourself regarding what's going on in crypto as it relates to projects and prices and all that, I like my bubbles because this gives you a really good visual as to what's happening in the crypto market. But if you want to get more granular information, you can go to CoinGecko.com. Another one I'll put up, because both of these are really good. CoinMarketCap.com. This is owned by Binance here, and these two are similar. This is where I get my information on prices, what the charts are saying. Although I'm not a chart person, I only use charts to know where a token has come from and where it might potentially go. And that's it. But I don't invest based on charts. I just use that as another mechanism, if you will, to do my due diligence in deciding whether or not I'm going to actually invest in a certain cryptocurrency. But anyway, certainly you can always go here. There are over 11,000 cryptocurrencies that are listed in CoinGecko. There's certainly more out there because people are creating new tokens every day, but they have over 11,000, which is more than enough for you to be able to identify a handful to be able to invest in and hopefully make a ton of money off of. But you can see just all this green. It's beautiful, and we haven't seen anything yet. You think these returns, and these are crazy returns, daily return, 32, 37, 50% respectively. When we get in the heart of the bull market, you're going to see like 150% gain in one day. You may see 300% gain in one day. That's what happens in crypto. There's no other investment vehicle like it. And so I am going to go ahead and stop this video. Just wanted to let you guys know that it is an exciting time to be in crypto. It's always been an exciting time, and it's really exciting now because for those who have been dollar cost averaging for the last couple of years, you're making bank right now, but you have not seen anything yet. So again, make sure you're following me in Telegram. You'll see that again down in the description below. If you have any questions for me relative to anything, go ahead and put those questions down in the comments below. But this is Crypto Goshen. Just wanted to give you a perspective as to what's going on with me in the market. It's just exciting times again to be in crypto. I look forward to catching up with you guys on the next video. And as you and I know that you and I are blessed to be a blessing. Y'all have a great one, and we will be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.